Hello students, welcome to Educational Era. This is a video for integers, means you will get to know about integers. The set containing the positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and the negative numbers -3, -2, -1 together with 0 is called the set of integers. We denote set of integers by z or I. That is, z equals to -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Note: the set of negative numbers along with the set of whole numbers is known as integers. There are infinite positive numbers to the right of 0 and infinite negative numbers to the left of 0. The whole number 0 is neither a positive integer nor a negative integer. In the number line of integers, every number on the right is greater than all the numbers to its left. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.